Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about canning sale items. Now, first, you might not be thinking about what I'm meaning, so let me explain. I'm talking about canning sale items. I'm talking about canning foods that are on sale. Now, I've been watching several channels, particularly Rebel Canners and her Facebook page. And people on her Facebook page are always talking about, oh, this is on sale. I bought, 20 pounds of chicken at some ridiculous low price, or I bought, 20 pounds of pork chops at a ridiculously low price. And they can them. So they're not freezing it. They're canning it and putting it on the shelves where it'll still be good for 5 years. And you don't have to worry about the power going out. So think about the items that you can buy on sale when they have on some sort of super sale, or some reason they're lowering the price on it. And then you can go ahead and can it and put it on the shelf and keep it for a long time. For that rainy day when the prices are sky higher than they are now. And you'll have food ready to go. All right? So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Learn more skills so you can take care of you and your family.